Wire diameter range 10 to 240 square millimeters. Microcomputer touchscreen operation, PLC control system, can store 99 sets of product wire processing data parameters. Belt-driven, no crimping of wires. This machine with rotary knife function ensures that the cutting and stripping of new energy high-voltage wires and shielded wires is completed in one go. Mainly for new energy motors, charging stations, electronic control, BMC used in high-voltage power line processing. Automatic adjustment of wire diameter. No need to change tools for different cable sizes. Powerful and easy to process cables up to 10 to 240 square millimeters. Stripping speed 400 to 900 pieces per hour, depending on the wire.